Today's craft: paper groundhog. Supplies: construction paper, cardboard, glue, and scissors. Step 1. Cut out the shape of a groundhog from the cardboard. Cut out the pieces needed to make its details, shadow, and a hole from paper. Step 2. Cut out a strip of cardboard and a strip of construction paper for the backdrop. Glue the paper to the cardboard. Step 3. Glue the two sides and bottom of the hole to the corner of the strip of construction paper. Step 4. Glue the paper details to the cardboard cutout. Place the groundhog into the hole. If you want 6 more weeks of winter, you can place the shadow underneath the groundhog. Find us on your favorite social media website and at easycraftshunt.com. Footage provided by easycraftshunt.com. Made with Pixlr Editor and Corel Video Studio. Animation by Dolphin Studios. Music by Kai Engel. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and share. Subscribe for more fun craft videos, and thanks for watching.